Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create a quiz on the platform. To create a quiz, you first need to create a course, since a quiz is a component of a course. The platform prompts us to name the course. We enter it and click Add Quiz. We also need to name the quiz, then click Create. Now we're in the quiz builder. It's very intuitive. You'll see the main Add Question button. Clicking it opens a panel with different question types. These include basic options like multiple correct answers, one answer correct, and open-ended questions. More advanced types are also available. Yes or no, satisfaction level, star rating, emoji rating, the ability to upload files, record video or audio, and other formats. So we select type and add the question. We write the text, add the answer options, and mark correct ones. You can add multimedia to each question. Audio or video, add a link, or record an audio message for your learners. In the question settings, you can also add an image, add a note for the examiner, mark all answers as the correct ones. It's useful for surveys. Enable comments, create a replica of the question, add tags for categorization, or delete the question. If you need help, use our AI module. Ask the built-in AI author to generate content for you. There are 3 generation modes. By topic, you choose the topic, language, and desired number of questions. And the AI builds the quiz with different types of questions and reviewer notes. You can use this as a base or simply for inspiration when you're out of ideas. The next option is generating from an existing lesson. You select the course and specific lesson, and the AI takes the lesson topic and create a quiz based on it. You can also choose the language. And last option is generation a quiz from your own materials. You can paste text into the generation window or upload a file from your computer and again select the language. Now let's move on to the quiz settings. Here you can set a passing score, choose the question navigation mode, sequential or allowing learners to return to previous questions, shuffle questions. You can set quiz attempts, configure custom scoring, and enable manual confirmation. You can also enable a timer, choose the scoring type for multi-answer questions, and configure the pop-up message learners see before and after taking the quiz. You can also add a text to the quiz. Once everything is ready, click the eye icon. It means the quiz has been published to the course. Let's go over to additional quiz settings. Here you can create a replica of the quiz, which saves a lot of time. You can also create dynamic content to increase learning personalization, set an opening date so the quiz becomes available at the right time, and add it to a chapter to structurize your content. Hope it helps and good luck with your academy!